What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2024 Hyundai Kona. So taking a look at the Kona's key fob, this button here that's almost a full circle and says hold on it, that's the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, I'm going to hit the lock button and then hold the remote start button down for a few seconds. The vehicle will respond by flashing its lights and starting. The Kona will run for 10 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in and drive it. If we want to cancel the remote start, turn the vehicle off before we've gotten in, we'll just press the remote start button once, and that turns the vehicle off. Let's go ahead and remote start it again. And then once you get in the vehicle, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.